All right, so our document is taking shape. Um, Now let's just do a little bit to make it cleaner. So this is a multi-page document, as you can see. We've got this sort of title right here on the first page, but it's not there on the second page. So what we want to do is leverage the abilities of Microsoft Word to allow us to have a sort of a title that is present on both pages, and it's also going to save us space at the same time. And so we use the header in order to make that happen. So you can go to Document Elements and mess around with the header here, or you can just go into the header area. You'll notice that this whole space up here is always empty. That's because it's beyond the margins. It's beyond the writable portion of your page. So once you see your cursor change to this little page format, then you can double click, and as you can see, you now have the ability to alter the header. So anything that you write in here, I'll close it. So anything that you write in here will now show up in the header section of every single page. If we had a third page, you'd see it there too. And so why not just take this and move it up into the header? So I'm just going to paste that in. As you can see, this looks a bit better. So we have it there on every page. It gives it a more professional feel. Let's get rid of that. I'll just cut it. So Word has some built-in styles for you. As you can see, I'm here at the header and footer. So let's add sort of a nicer header. Let's try this. Type the date. Say today. There, it's got that little line in there. Looks pretty nice. What else you got up there? There we go. So you can use your newfound knowledge of styling your text to make it look even better. I liked the first version, so I'm going to change it back to that. Let's just say 2014. Makes a bit more sense. And so what about the footer? What if you want to have a bit more information in there? So luckily, you can either just type stuff into the footer, thusly, and there you see it shows up in both pages, or we can have some of these predefined styles. And there, easy as pie. If you wanted to add page numbers, you would just go up to here, page, one page, one, two. So it's as easy as that. Now that you know that this document elements thing is here, then we highly suggest that you start playing around with the header function. You can have images up there if you want to add some nice, make it sort of a more custom letterhead. Sky's the limit, really.